In any operation, consistency is the cornerstone of quality. Customers expect the same product every time, and standard work makes that happen. For example, take Chef A. Without following a standard process, he changes ingredients and baking times, depending on his mood. So how do the cookies turn out? Some days they're sweet and others dry. As a result, customers are disappointed. Now look at Chef B. He follows standard work, precise measurements, exact mixing time, and consistent baking temperature. The cookies are baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for exactly 12 minutes, producing cookies with a perfectly golden brown edge and soft center, and they come out identical. Customers have confidence in his cookies due to the reliability of their quality. This consistency also drives significant increases in sales. Whether you're baking cookies or manufacturing products, standard work eliminates variability, improves efficiency, and ensures growth. It's the recipe for long-term success. To learn more, visit orcalean.com today.